That thing, right?
What is up, Pyros? We're coming at you with the 3-minute time bomb from Dominator fireworks. As you see, it says fan shape. Performance, longest lasting cake on the market. With over 3 minutes performance, you will see a wide variety of effects, including strobe, crackle, willow, and more. Look for the false finale halfway through the cake, and then enjoy a real sky-filling finale at the end. This is truly a show in the box. Here's what it looks like for the brakes. Go. But this is the 3-minute time bomb coming at you from Dominator Fireworks. 500-gram cake, 69 shots. Let's check it out. Thumbs up, thumbs down. We'll see you in the comments down below.